beautiful song from 1965 by Michel Legrand. And I listened to a really great version by Tony Bennett. I believe it was Tony Bennett that sang this one. And then they keep taking it up. So, you know. So it's a good song if you're going to repeat it a few times, that just keep going up a half a step each time if you're able to do that. Now there's a little middle section here too. So let's run over that. That song reminds me of, but it's a really pretty cool song. If you were expecting a big performance, forget it, but the sheet music is for free down there in the description. All you got to do is hit that link and it should pop right up for you. No charge and, no website to wade through. It'll just, you click the link, the chart comes up. That's how it ought to be, right?